Welcome everybody, my name's Arna, and today I want to show you how to do refunds and swaps on the Active POS. Let's get started. Here is the POS on an iPad, and this is the icon, the Active icon. Let's click on that. And then we'll log in. And let's place an order. So I'll buy 4 items, check out. Now the AirPlay system doesn't allow me to take credit cards, so I'm going to have to use cash. So it wants 16388. Done. My printer's not hooked up. Hit OK. And now I am going to click on this icon here, which is the order, or the tab, I should say that, the order history tab. And this shows all the orders for today, yesterday, and so on, this week. And let's go back to today. And I am interested in this one here. But whichever one you click on is the one that displays in this area down here. So I'm going to click on the top one, the last order in. And you can see that we have the refund items. We have refund order. We have refund shipping. And we have swap. So we're going to go through these one by one. So first of all, let's do refund order. So I'm refunding the entire order. Click on that button. Are you sure? Yes, I am. I hand the customer the cash back, and the order is refunded, as you can see. I'm going to click on it here, and you can see all the negative numbers. Okay, so let's do the next one. Let's go make another order. And let's hit checkout. And I have to do cash, $163.88. And if I go to my order history, there she is, $163.88. And this time, I'm going to click on refund items. So Windows opens up, and I can specify what items I want to refund. So I'm going to refund that one and that one. Hit refund. And it's telling me to hand back appropriate amount of cash, and it's done. There's the refunded order here, and of course, all the details. Here. Okay, now, next one. Next one is going to be refunding shipping. So we need to make an order where there is some shipping involved. So I'm going to pick a customer and myself as that customer, and then check out. Now, here is the ship order button. I'm going to ship it. And it will pre-fill this window with all the details on file for me. if you were picking somebody that was not on file, of course, you'd need to fill all this in. Hit OK. And you can see that it figured out a shipping cost. So let's now cash, oh, that's 10967. Go to our pending orders, our order history, and there we have it, and it's an order that says not shipped. And because it's not shipped, I can refund this. Now, this might be a wine club member that's decided to come by to the winery and pick it up instead of having it shipped, and you need to refund him or her the shipping cost or some other reason, but it obviously cannot already have been shipped. So to refund the shipping, I click on this button here, refund shipping. It's going to say, are you sure? And I am sure, and I hand back the shipping cost to the customer. And again, if it had been a club order on file, for example, it would be credited straight to their credit card. If it was an order that was done in the tasting room, it would also go straight to the credit card if it was a credit card used. And here it shows my refunded order, and of course all the details here. So now, swaps. Let's have a look at swaps. So we're going to buy 3 things. Check out. Pay cash. And we're done. Go to our order history, and there is the order. Here. Now there is an icon here. If I click on that, it will show me all my orders. Because you can, up here, you can ask for, you can do a search, you can do today, you can do yesterday, this week, last week, etc. You can see lots of data at once. But we are just interested in today. And that is this order right here that we are now going to do a swap on. So there are 3 different kinds of swap. There is a credit swap, a debit swap, and a credit neutral swap. So let's do a credit swap first. So I'm going to push that button, and here shows that order, and I can elect to refund any of these items. I'm going to pick this one, the Meritage. Then I can add something else to this order. I'm going to pick something that is less expensive, $18. So you can see now there is a credit, $18 on this. Check out. And with tax credit, it comes to this. Hit the refund button. Give the money back to the customer. Again, if it's a card, it's automatic. We're done. That was a credit swap. Now let's try debit swap. So I'll make a new order. We'll order 3 items as well. Pay cash. Oops. Start again. And look at our order history. And there is our order. And let's do another swap. This time, we're going to refund a $36 item, and then we're going to buy a $72 item. Now you can see I need to pay $36, so let's check out. Do the cash, 36.33, done. Back to order history to see it, and there you see the order for an additional $33, and you can see here the subtracting of the 36 and the adding of the 72. And the last type is a neutral swap. So let's show you that. We have a new order, and we'll buy one of these and one of these, say. Cash. Go to our order history, and again, there is our order. Now let's do a swap. And this time I'm going to refund a $36 item, and then I'm going to buy a $36 item. So this is cash neutral. Hit checkout. Now, because there's no money involved, this button has changed to be complete order. I'm going to push complete order. And again, if I look at my order history, there is my swap out, and it is cash neutral, but this are the two items. And of course, the back end with inventory management and accounting, this is all very relevant. So that's what I wanted to show you. That's all there is to refunds and swaps. Thanks for coming. I hope this was useful, and we look forward to seeing you the next time.